take a look at your problem real quick. Pulled up your homework and got these numbers from your homework, and we want to know the probability of exactly 12. Alright, so we have 15 factorial, that's n, over n minus x factorial, that's going to be 15 minus 12 is 3 factorial, times 12 factorial. And then we have this thing times p to the x, so 0.85 to the 12th power, then times q to the n minus x. So q is 1 minus p, so that's going to be 0.15, and then the n minus x power, that's going to be to the 3rd power. Got to be careful whenever you plug these things in over here on the left side into your calculator, because sometimes your calculator will round those. So what you might want to do first is simplify by reducing the factorial. You can write 15 factorial as 15 times 14 times 13 times 12 factorial and stop there. And the reason why you'd want to do that is because you have a 12 factorial in the denominator, and those would cancel out. And so now that does make it a little easier on your calculator to do those calculations, if you will. And so now what I'm going to do is I need to bring up my calculator. So I'm going to pause this just a second. And I'm back. You didn't even know I was gone, did you? Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, since I'm multiplying all this stuff on the top, I'm going to put in this first because this looks like the most complicated term, this 0.85 to the 12th. 0.85. Now on this calculator, the way you raise them to the 12th is the x to y button. So x to the y 12. So that'll raise that to the 12th power. Equals. Alright, so that's that decimal. Times 0.15 to the 3rd. So times 0.15 x to the y 3 equals, alright, and now I need to say, you can think of all that like that's in the numerator, so times 15 times 14 times 13. Alright, and now notice that the only thing I have left over is just 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, so that's 6. So just divide that by 6. And you got your answer. The probability of exactly 12 is going to be, let's see, p of 12. It really depends on what it says round to. I didn't check that out. So you got 0.2184299. So see how many places it says to round, and round to that many. I hope this helps. If not, send me an email back and I will do my best to try to re-explain it. Thanks. Have a good day.